Welcome back. Now the next menu over is going to be the Insert menu. You have the Pages tab, Tables tab, Illustrations tab, Add-ins, Media, Links, Comments, Header and Footer, the Text tab, Symbols tab, and then any additional tabs for your add-ins. Now in terms of the Pages tab, it gives you an interesting set of options that you can add to your document. One handy tool is that you can add in a cover page. And by clicking this link, you're going to notice that Word will give you some options to add in a cover page. And if you don't like the pre-designed covers, what you can do is you can then choose one from the Office.com database. And you'll see some here. And all you'll need to do is to just click on the one that you want. And then you can make your changes inside of the document. And you'll see that here. It will then be at the beginning of your document. You can also then insert a blank page. This will give you the ability to place in any copyright information if you're creating a manuscript, or even to insert your table of contents. You can also insert graphical objects, including pictures, shapes, smart arts, and charts. You can also add in any online media into the document. For example, we can then search a YouTube video, decide on our choice, and then we can click in the actual choice. And of course, we can size down the thumbnail, and we can arrange it in the way that we want. Now this will be a clickable link to the actual document. It will not be the entire video inside of your document. Of course, you can also insert a hyperlink. For example, if you want to hyperlink a particular part of your document, you can go to this link. You can then insert the link, and then you can place the URL in the place that you want the link to go. And of course, you can add in a header and footer into your document. Of course, you can use the header and footer inside of your menu, or all you'll need to do is to come to the very top of your Word document, click the very top, and you'll see that your header will be available to you. Your footer will be available also. What's going to happen when you open this header, you're going to get a separate menu for header and footer tools. Now these tools are going to be specific to your working with the header and footer. When you've completed your work with the header and footer, all you'll need to do is to close this menu. You'll then be sent back to your regular document and come back to the insert command. What we're going to do here is stop the video, and we're going to take a look at a few more features inside of the insert command that will be particularly helpful to you when you're creating your documents. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.